noise chatter, moving fast, so what's the matter? Lost inside the daily race, just trying to find a quiet space. Lose the phone, the screen, the sound. Let your feet feel solid ground. Let your feet feel solid ground. Somewhere between the noise and the silence, something starts to speak. A quiet guidance. It's the presence that has always been, the quiet witness deep within. Stay a little longer, don't you roam. In the stillness, you can find your way home. In the stillness, you can find your way home. How long can you sit with your own soul and let the inner chaos take its toll? Listen to the storm inside your head. Wait until the final word is said, and then it fades, a gentle release, and all you're left with is inner peace. All you're left with is inner peace. Somewhere between the noise and the silence, something starts to speak. A quiet guidance. It's the presence that has always been, the quiet witness deep within. Stay a little longer, don't you roam. In the stillness, you can find your way home. Find your way home. The golden summer days are drawing near, a time to let go of all the fear. The silence speaks its own soft art, reconnecting to your open heart. It's not empty, it's alive and true. It's watching, waiting, and it is you. It's watching, waiting, and it